Go!
Oh, baby.
I need fucking eye protection.
Oh, baby. Come on.
Hey. I don't want no wet darts coming out. Could you stop busting your load on everybody? That's nasty. That is nasty, sir. Sir.
Ma'am.
It.
Others.
Reload!
Chris, what you doing?
You're too close.
I can't join the game, though. So we haven't started one. Our chase.
Okay, apparently you're down. Your cover's so bad.
Oh, douchebag.
Okay, someone can fire, okay?
I've got 2 missions.
Hip shot.
Well, I need to start at Sierra 117. Okay, well, the ones I got is Sean and Floodgate.
Hit the standard right in his head.
Yeah, mine is cool. You got a rival? Yeah, I know. So do I.
Oh, baby.
But we'll see if that one goes. I gotta restart it, though, because the controller got disconnected. No, we'll start at Sierra 117.
Stuff.
Alright, while you're restarting, I'll take this.
Small for the camera.
It's not a cookbook!
Oh, I'm sorry, Jen.
You just shot me in my nards.
So, are you sure you didn't deserve it?
I'm sure my nards do not need to be shot, sir. My nard needs love and tender care.
I heard that one. Crap! What the heck's wrong with this? Shoot, I got a jam. Hold on a second.
Stripes on my eyes.
Thank you.
Reload.
I just got a jam.
Yeah, you said
That's what she said.
That is what she said.
It's okay. You don't have to be.
Crap. Alright, this is getting on my nerves now. Hold on a second. I gotta get this out.
Jenny does not understand.
Give me that damn thing.
Thing ever.
you bargain ice hole.
What about flying high swords?
What?
Crap, it's stuck.
It doesn't fire.
Yeah, I need a pen or something.
I really. I had one.
Okay.
I think, hey, Ryan.